Welcome back to LeLe Floral. Today I will do this arrangement and the design is to dedicate to my mom. It's Mother Day coming this weekend. So I have this wood bowl and it's already filled up with foam, wet foam. And it's a little bit hard to add in the foam, but I cut in a smaller piece just to make sure that all the flower have the water short. So I'm gonna be using this pink flowers, a little bit dark and light and pale pink, and also some white rose. This is my mom's favorite color. She also like lavender color, but I can't find any lavender rose. It's kind of hard to find at this time, but I will be adding lilac color. This is a greenery that I'll be using. It's very bright color of greenery and it's gonna give it very fresh look. Let me start adding some of the greenery in, and I already cut the greenery, but I need to cut a little bit more. So basically this greenery will be using to cover the foam, and I'm gonna insert in all the greenery to cover all this foam. And this greenery is very nice, very bright green, and it's give a lot of texture. So I'm done with the greenery. Now I'm gonna insert in flower. I have this two type of rose. One is a little bit lighter, the other one is a little bit darker pink color, and I will also have some white color and some after what is that, not lavender, but it's more like lilac color. It just give it a different texture of pink. This is a very beautiful white rose. This is garden rose, Davis Austin rose, and it smells very strong and very beautiful. Most of the rose that you buy at the wholesaler, you cannot smell it, but if you buy garden rose, they smell very good. So I like this one. Now I'm putting in different shape, like big and small. It doesn't have to be like small on one side and big on one side. It just create different shape and different texture. And I try to mix in it with different color, different tone of pink. So I will be adding more roses, and now I'm gonna adding more of the white rose on this side. This is very beautiful. I love it, and they smell very nice. My mom loved this kind of rose too. This kind of rose is a lot expensive than a regular rose that you buy at the market, but you know, they worth it the money that you spend. This one is so cute. And I'm adding more just to cover all of them. I just leave out a little bit of greenery just to have different texture. Oh, never press on the rose like what I did, but sometimes I have to. In this case, if it's a little bit too tall and your hand is so hard to get into where the stem, then you just have to press this down a little bit. It's also help to open the rose a little bit bigger. This one is so big. It's funny, I never liked pink color until I have my baby. Angeline, my younger daughter, loved pink color, and so my mom loved pink color too. So growing up, my mom always buying clothes for me pink color. I have to wear it because it's from mommy, but to be honest, I will prefer a different color. And now every time if I see any pink flower, all I think of is my baby and my mother. I'm gonna adding this mini rose. This is lilac color, and the color is very well go together with the pink color that I have for the rose. So I'm just gonna cut it short and insert it in. So it's almost look like kind of like moss color. Some people call it dirty rose color, but they look very nice when you combine it with pink and also creamy or ivory color. So I'm just insert here and there just to add in different texture. This is so beautiful. I really like this design a lot, and to me, my mother is just like a boat for my family. Life is up and down with a lot of weight in between life, but my mom always managed to take care of all our family and also my dad. When my dad was sick, my mom would die for him. And I'm very lucky, thank to God, that I come from a very good family and very happy family. There is no word that I can describe my mother. I am very proud of my mom, and I'm truly appreciate my mom a lot. I'm very lucky that I live very close to my mom, so I get to see my mom a lot. In life, there's time that's up and down, and sometimes you just have to deal with stress. But to me, I feel always better after I get a hug from my mom. Even now I'm older, I still get guidance and advice from my mom. And to me, having my mom is the best. My mom is older now, but I'm so glad and thank to God that she is still in very good health. And to me, this bowl of flower is really like my mom. I'm keep thinking about how she take care of the family and how she always try to swim so hard on the way. So I finished with this design, and here's a close-up that you can see. I wish my light is a little bit better because the lighting is not so good in here, but you can see how beautiful this rose is. I'm very sure that she got a very big smile when I delivered this to her today. My mother loved flowers so much. Sometimes I give her the flower arrangement, and the flowers already died. She did not want to throw them away. She still want to keep them. She say, "Oh, don't throw it away. I can just still gonna keep them for a few days." And I think I'm just like my mom. I love flower too. I can't imagine life without flower. Like mother, like daughter. And now my younger daughter Angeline thinks the same way. Sometimes she just get the pot out, get the vase out, get the flower and do the arrangement and just put it right on her table. So as you can see different texture because this texture I'm more trying to concentrate on the pink side, pink and lilac and creamy white color. So if you incorporate this kind of color together, the color palettes will be look very nice. But if you adding contrast color, it's still nice too. But this is like on the softer side, and it's really suitable for Mother Day, or or if you want to use it for any lady that you love. Let me show you in a better lighting. I think in the back on the black background, it will look a lot better. It will be more standout. And I love how different shape of flower and over on top of the very bright green. I just love this design so much, and I hope that my mom will be very happy with this. Happy Mother Day, mommy. I love you so much, and happy Mother Day to all the women out there. Thank to God that we have our children. It's a blessing to be a mother. And I know for myself, I have two beautiful daughters. Every time I hold them in my arms, I just feel so special. They are just like a gift from God to me. And I bet you my mom feels the same thing. Even though having 7 children and raising 7 children, ooh, that is a tough job. My mom handles very well. But right now, every children, every grandchildren, my mom treasures them just the same way at how I do with my 2 daughters. So again, mommy, this design is dedicated for you. And again, from the bottom of my heart, I love you very much, mom. And I appreciate every single thing that you do for me, for my family, and for my 2 daughters. And for every woman out there, happy Mother Day! I hope you all like this design, and please like and subscribe and also share with your friends. Thank you for supporting LeLe Floral.